This year's cake show of Bangalore is an annual event which was started approximately 48 years ago by a single structure edible cake model made by Mr. C. Ramchandra. The annual cake show has gained tremendous popularity. The creative themes showcased in the exhibition has also grown in number. IBCA, along with My Baker Smart, endeavors to give all creatives a platform, namely trainers, students, and team of sugar craftsmen. Since we have been attempting structures of this nature for innumerable years, our caliber has given us insight in creating innovative content, gum paste, edible lace, food color painting, and edible spray effects. These ideas are conceptualized 6 months ahead of this event as we try to understand the nature of 3D sugar cake structures and recreate them in the most lifelike manner using various edible materials. We enjoy fostering and liberating our creatives to think out of the box and bring their visions to life. The zeal and enthusiasm with our institute bustles around this festive time truly engages each one of us to work as a team and tackle all obstacles that lie before us with anyone's creative input involved, all which makes us come back at the end of the year at the more efficient and skilled way. This year's theme has been designed around good over evil, nature and harmony, history and remembrance. Please.
This is a polar bear sugar model which is approximately 410 kgs done by 4 people. It is 4 feet breadth, 5 feet length and 4.5 feet height. It is done by Purva Indrajit Ashish Chunu. The polar bear is the largest and the most powerful carnivorous on the land. Polar bears are classified as marine mammals. Interestingly, the polar bear coat has no white pigment. In fact, a polar bear skin is in black color. The polar bears have white fur so that they can camouflage in the environment. Their coat is so well camouflaged in Arctic environments, they can swim constantly for 2 days at a time. Less than 2% of polar bears hunts are successful, making survival very hard for them. Fun fact, scientists can extract polar bear DNA from their footprints, their faces, more threats than climatic change and destroying their settlements. Adult polar bears lives in the wild is approximately 25 to 30 years. This is a depiction of a newspaper in doodling format. This cake is approximately 130 kilograms, which is sized of 4-inch length, 4-inch height and 4-inch breadth, made by Shweta, Magesh, Shantanu and Nikita. The virtual and visual communication facilities, interaction and interactivity. News is the part of communication that keeps us informed of the changing events, issues and characters in the world around ourselves. Though it may be interesting or even entertaining, the foremost value of news is an utility to empower the information and keep us on the same page. Likewise, our cake is a theme cake with highlights events that took place in 2022, geographically, historically and economically, all around us. Because the media interpret the past to the us, show us what has gone into making us the way we are. A sugar model which depicts the Beauty and the Beast, which is approximately 3 feet breadth and 3 feet length with a height of 5 feet. Here you can see the story of the Beauty and the Beast, which is depicted here, along with a castle and a flower which is left in a glass jar. It was done by 4 people, which is Mahesh, Shantanu, Rashia and Mohit. This is the sugar model of Nightingale of India. The cake is approximately 230 kgs and the size is 4 feet length, 4 feet base, and 5 feet height. The women who created a world record by singing more than 30,000 songs during her time. Lata Mangeshkar is rightfully dubbed as the Nightingale of India. She has left behind a treasure trove of songs vocalized in her voice, sung across her career over 70 years. We have used edible lace for her sari and attempted to capture the essence of her beauty beaming through her smile.